Well, for Tuesday, we'll still have some well above average temperatures, but quickly that'll change into Wednesday as a cold front moves through. And we're still looking like we'll have some unsettled weather through much of this week. But for a good chunk of Tuesday, it will be partly sunny and breezy. More into Tuesday night is when we see some changes. We also could see some heavy mountain snow. The Bighorn Mountains, we have a winter storm watch that starts up Tuesday evening until Wednesday evening, and still looks like it'll be unsettled and cooler again through the week and into next week. Comes that cold front, really impacting us by Tuesday night. It's when we're expecting some rain, thunderstorms, and some mountain snow. But for the early hours of Tuesday, still looking to be dry. We'll have temperatures mild into the 50s and then again warming up after that. Here are your wind gusts, though. It may start off with just a light breeze into the morning, but don't be fooled. It'll be picking up, and by the afternoon hours, we should have gusts above 30 miles an hour in Casper. Windy throughout Worland and Riverton, gusts above 30, 35 miles an hour there. Even some 45-mile-an-hour wind gusts close to Rawlins. We're still going to have similar winds the next couple of days. Winds out of the west. Winds could even be above 35 miles an hour in Casper before dipping a little bit closer to Friday and Saturday. For the morning hours, we're in the clear. It's Tuesday afternoon for our western viewing areas. Start to see some mountain snow, showers, a few thunderstorms. Then it fills in more for later on Tuesday night. Notice a lot of the rain and thunderstorms staying for the northern portions of the viewing area. So Casper, Douglas, we could be on the lighter side of this event. Still could get some rain, but we could be staying still under a tenth of an inch by Wednesday evening. But the more north we go, could be looking at some rain amounts between a quarter of an inch, even up to a half of an inch, if not a little bit more, depending on certain thunderstorms there. The more south we go, we might be missing it altogether or just some trace amounts. Now, about that snow, that's going to stay for the mountains, but for elevations above 8,000 feet, that's where we could see the heaviest amounts. We may be pushing about 16 inches there. We also could have some whiteout conditions, even some gusts up to 40 miles an hour expected for Tuesday night through Wednesday evening. So there's our winter storm watches for the Bighorn Mountains then. Also the Absaroka Mountains, both from Tuesday evening until Wednesday evening. Before that, though, it's going to be mild. Again, high of 79 degrees in Casper, still with a breeze, and then the rain arrives later in the day. We'll see some upper 80s as well. Shattern 89, Torrington 88. But that cold front will be dropping temperatures for all of us. So Wednesday, high of 56, and then when our temperatures creep up a little bit after that, we're still going to have scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms in the forecast for the next few days.